Good day, sir. Today I would like to talk about the situations that quite familiar to many of us, the tension surrounding the allocations and use of confidential funds in our community. These issues reflect a broader societal patterns that we can analyze through sociological lens, particularly conflict theory. In recent years, our community has faced growing concern over how confidential funds often used by local government officials or institutions are being allocated. On one hand, the funds are described as necessary for sensitive operations such as law enforcement or national security. On the other hand, the increasing frustrations from community members who feel these funds are being mismanaged, lacking transparency, and primarily serving the interests of those in power. So now, let's apply conflict theory here. According to this theory, society is not built on harmony but on competitions and conflict between groups with unequal access to resources and power. In this case, the confidential fund can be seen as resources that is controlled by a small elite, those in position of authority, while the broader community lacks the power to question how these funds are used. This creates a power imbalance where decision makers may prioritize their own interests or those of allied groups rather than the needs of the general population. So, in conclusion, the controversy over the confidential fund in our community is more than just a financial issue. It's a reflection of deeper structural inequalities. By using conflict theory, we gain insight into how power and resources are unevenly distributed, perpetuating cycles of mistrust and tensions. It's up to us as a community to continue to push for change, demand transparency, and ensuring the resources benefits everyone, not just the few.